OpenAI is making a bold move in the AI coding race, and this one could hit developers everywhere. The company has announced it will acquire Astral, the team behind popular Python tools used to make coding faster and more reliable. And the goal is clear: strengthen OpenAI's coding power as competition with Anthropic gets hotter. Astral's tools are already well known in the Python world, so this is not just a company purchase. It is OpenAI trying to bring trusted developer tools directly into its growing Codex ecosystem. That matters because AI coding is quickly becoming one of the biggest battlegrounds in tech, with more developers choosing assistants that can write, fix, and understand real code better than ever. Reuters reports Codex now has more than 2 million weekly active users, with usage surging fast, which shows just how serious this market has become. The big question now is whether this deal will help OpenAI pull ahead, or whether Anthropic will answer with something even bigger. One important detail is that Astral's CEO says the company's open source tools will continue to be supported, which could calm fears inside the developer community. So this is more than an acquisition headline. It is a signal that the fight for the future of coding is speeding up, and the next phase may decide which AI becomes the tool developers trust the most.